Hi, it's your Haitian cousin Kadoh, and today, of course, we are back, and I just want to teach you everything Duolingo and Google Translate can't teach you, because if you want to speak like an authentic Haitian, you either have to be around other Haitians you're around other Haitians or you're exercising your language. So that's what we're here to do today. So something super basic that you should know before you go into conversation is knowing the difference between you, me, they, them, theirs, they. So that's what we're going to go over in today's class. Let's get started. Mwen means me. Ou means you. Ou menm means you. Li menm could either mean her or him. Li menm could either mean her or him. Yo menm means them. When you want to say mine, you say pam. 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 Pam means mine. When you want to say ours, you say panu. 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 Nu means us. Nu mem means us. Us. Nu mem. Nu mem means us. Munyo. Munyo. That means those people. Munyo. That means those people. Pal. Pal. When you say pal, that means theirs. Pal. 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 Pala. C'est pour li. C'est pour li. C'est pour li. That's for them. C'est pour moi. C'est pour moi. C'est pour moi. It's for me. C'est pour li. C'est pour li means it could be either for him or for her. Li is him or her, but it's theirs. C'est pour li. Ça c'est menm. Ça c'est doit. Ça c'est chapeau. You get where I'm going with this? So it's important that you know how to use the pronouns so that way when you're in the conversation or if you're ear hustling, you know what they're talking about. It's your Haitian cousin Kadoh, and I hope I see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.